Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Jenna. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on all of my latest videos. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. As you guys can see by the title of this video, I'm allowing TikTok to choose my look for today. I thought it'd be fun to kind of do something a little bit different and do something a little fun. So we're doing hair, makeup, and outfit. So for the hair, I'll show you guys. I took a screen recording here, and it essentially what I did was I went to the search settings, I typed in hair tutorial, and this is what popped up, the first video, and it seemed like it was a pretty simple one. I'll play the video now and we can watch it together. I have it up here on my laptop so that way I can watch it and do it with you guys. But here we go. So this is what it looks like. It looks like it's fairly simple, just a simple half up, half down. So I'm going to start working on it now while you guys watch it. So it looks like she has these two front pieces, which I wrote that side. And then she just takes some triangles in the back. Don't mind my technique. It is great. That might not have been enough, but it is fine. It is fine. We are going to make this work. So we are going to go triangle. I'm grabbing some hair in the back as well just to make it a little bit thicker. Grab my hairbrush to smooth it out. Oh well, it is what it is. I also can't see y'all through my hair, so if I look ridiculous, I'll find out in editing. It is warm today. I don't know where y'all are at, but it's 90 degrees down here, and it's been storming really bad. Last night it was supposed to storm today, so it's super muggy, and it just feels gross. You can feel the humidity in the air right now. Okay. So that's the hair. We're gonna tuck these back and let's move on to makeup. Alright, so for makeup I also typed in makeup tutorial, and I didn't choose the first one because the first one just showed different ways to do makeup to either shorten your face or highlight your face. So I ended up going with the second video because it was more of an actual tutorial and a different type of look. So I'll just show you the second one that I ended up choosing. It seemed a little bit more different than what I normally do as well, so I thought that it would be a little bit more fun. I don't have all the products that she used, but I have a few of them, so we're going to try it out and see what happens. If you're new here, I've said this multiple times before, I am definitely not a makeup artist. I just got into makeup within this past year, so it's a process. But alright, looks like she starts with her base. I'm going to start with some primer because to prime is not to prime is a crime according to Nikki Tutorials. And we listen to Nikki Tutorials when she tells you to do things. If this turns out good, I kind of want it to last the whole day, even though I'm just cleaning. I need to look good when I clean, y'all. I don't know about y'all, when I clean the bathtub, I need to look good. Yeah, I look good anyways. So how y'all's week's been going? Let me know in the comments down below. I've been doing a lot of bar prep this week, which next week my plan is to do a vlog of kind of bar prep and what my typical day looks like right now with that, which I think would be fun. I worry that the shade I got for the contour stick, because I had an Ulta Beauty gift card, I worry that my contour stick is going to be way too dark for this, but if it is, we'll make it work. We'll figure it out. Okay, so the next step is she puts tape on her eyebrow. And something that I always learned is to do this, and then that way it doesn't stick as much to it. But you get the exact angle you want. I don't know how far to push this down or how much to put on, so. I don't have a liner like that, so we're just going to use this type of liner. I've got the Maybelline Sky High. I found it in the shade, I think it's like the black brown one. But I really like it. It is really good. If you can find it, 10 out of 10 recommend. Like, it just, oh my gosh, it works so well. But you know what, I'm gonna try to trust the process because that's what they always say. And we are going to be doing, for the first time ever on this, lashes. I got magnetic ones because I do not trust myself with glue around my eyeballs. So we are going to try to open this and not destroy the box, which I destroyed the box, so that's fine. And we're going to see how this works. So who are your guys' favorite TikTokers? And like, what's your favorite genre, I guess? Is that right? On it. I like watching like point of views. Oh, these dry. I'm going to move on right now while this dries to the next step. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. It looks like she goes straight on her cheeks, which I don't know why you would conceal your cheeks, but we're gonna go with it. Alright, we're gonna continue on. So she puts contour, it looks like, down her cheeks, like here. This is dark, so we're just not going to do a ton of it. I'm not a huge fan of this makeup look. I'm just like, I feel like not doing much for my face. And maybe that's just because I am not doing it right, or maybe I'm not putting enough, but also like, this is just not my style. Alright, let's see what the next step is. Cream blush. I don't have highlighter, so I'm gonna see if there's a different highlighter that she uses. Okay, she sets her under eye and uses a setting powder, so we're just going to use a setting powder finally. Hi Olive. My kitty cat is coming through. There you go. And then she sets it. So I'm gonna quickly set it. Oh, there's a powder highlight. I already did that. She does a I'm gonna do white because I only have my white one out. I don't have a black one out underneath. After that, she goes in, looks like another angled brush in a dark shade again. They're really kind of scary right now. Last but not least is the lips. I have the NYX lip crayon in Nude Beige. Again, I got the new Still Liquid Lipstick in Carmella with that Ulta gift card as well. I tried to find another like nice nude shade. It's a little bit lighter than the patina one that I wear a lot. And I think this did it. Really good job. Yeah, this look ain't it. Sorry, Jazzy Ling, whatever your name is. This look ain't me. I give this look like a 5 out of 10. I think on her it looks stunning. Like I think on her it's like a 9 out of 10, but on me, this eye look is not it. It's not awful, I guess. Maybe I should give it like a 6. Alright, so now we're on to the outfit. I'll explain the outfit now and then we'll move on. So the original one was going to be, I did outfit, I think. I did outfit inspo, and the first video that popped up was this one. I didn't have anything from this, and so I ended up having to go back and re-finding one. So I did outfit, what did I Google? Or what? Google, oh boy. I did summer because I did, first I did outfit ideas, realized that these would be all way too, I would be dying of heat if I was to wear these on a normal day because it has been 90 like every day this week. And so then I did summer outfit ideas, as you can see, 2021, and I chose the first one for this one. And some of you guys might think that's cheating, but honestly I just didn't feel like dying in heat. So there's a few different options here. There's basic option, as you can see, chilly days. I ended up choosing the comfy option, one of the dresses. So let me go back to the one that I chose. I will freeze frame it. So I kind of chose a sundress, not exactly like this, but something I had similar in my closet, and yeah, I will pop you guys up and we can change into that. I'm going to quickly clean up all my makeup mess that is here that you guys cannot see very well, and yeah, let's move on to the next step. Alright, so this is the final look. This is the dress I chose because it kind of is florally, but it's the most similar to that I have to the one that was in the video. Typically I pair this with a cute pair of heels or wedges. It also has pockets, which I really like. Overall, I really like the look. The eye makeup or the look is kind of growing on me. I'm not a huge fan of these lashes though. I think that I'd probably go into actually getting one with glue. These just aren't really staying well. If you guys have better magnetic lash suggestions, let me know down below. Also, let me know down below how you think I did on this. I think I did decently, but I'd like to hear you guys' thoughts. Also, if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more videos like this, please give this a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. My fun fact for this video is I'm going to let you guys know what my top 5 favorite TikTokers are. I wrote them down so I wouldn't get their handles wrong, but I'll post up like a list here, so if you guys want to check them out, you can. Of course, if you guys saw my last video, you guys know Anna X Satar is one of my top favorites. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, I'll make sure to link it up above. Another one is Bailey Spin. She does point of views. She's really cool. She also has a cool style. The next is Rach Reese 3. She is an attorney and she answers a lot of questions about the criminal field because she does appellate work. But I also just really enjoy her content because she kind of shows that attorneys can also have like a personal life outside of the law, which I really appreciate. The next is Katie_Lynn_B. She's also a point of view girl. She does a lot of really cool, unique types of stories, and she puts a lot of her own unique spins on them. She also has really cool hairstyles usually. And the last is Stark Kates. She does point of views, but she does like her own characters a lot of the time. So she creates her own characters in different universes. So she has like a few Harry Potter ones, a few Marvel. She has one for Criminal Minds and a bunch of different fandoms like that. So it's pretty cool. And she adds new ones every so often. And she has like very extensive backstories for them. So it's really cool. Yeah. That's all I have for you guys today, so make sure you guys go and follow me on all my social medias if you guys want to stay up to date of what I'm doing. My Instagram is miss_Jenna_D_, my Twitter is Jenna D Miss, and my Facebook is miss_Jenna D. And yeah, I hope to see you guys over on one of those. I am most active on my Instagram. I also will be doing a video where I'll be asking for your guys' help on Instagram specifically, so if you guys want to be a part of that, make sure you go follow me over there on Instagram. But yeah, until next time, I love you guys. Bye!